In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit buttons on a Squarespace website. Whether you're refreshing your brand, updating a call to action, or simply making some tweaks, customizing buttons is a vital skill for making your website stand out. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where the button you want to edit is located. Once you're there, click directly on the button. You should see a pencil icon pop up, which is the edit option. Clicking this icon will open up the editing menu for that specific button. This is where all the magic happens. In the editing menu, the first field you'll encounter is the text field. This is where you can type in your new call to action. Think about what you want your visitors to do when they see this button. Maybe you want them to learn more, get started, or contact us. Whatever it is, make sure it's clear, concise, and compelling. The text you choose can significantly impact how users interact with your site, so it's worth taking a moment to craft something that truly resonates with your audience. Next, let's move on to the link field. This is crucial because it determines where your visitors will go after clicking the button. In this field, you can paste any URL you want to link to. But what if you want to link to an internal page, a file, or perhaps an email address? No worries. Squarespace has you covered. To do this, click on the gear icon right next to the link field. This will open up additional options, allowing you to easily choose an internal page from your site, upload a file like a research PDF, or even link directly to an email address. This flexibility is one of the features that makes Squarespace so user-friendly and versatile. As you make these changes, always remember to keep your audience in mind. Ask yourself, is this button guiding them towards the information or action they need? Will it help them navigate your site more effectively? These considerations are key to enhancing the user experience on your website. Once you're satisfied with your updates, don't forget to save your changes. You can usually find the Save button at the top or bottom of the editing menu. Click this to ensure all your hard work is preserved and published on your site. It's always a good practice to preview how your changes look on both desktop and mobile devices. Squarespace's responsive design ensures your website looks great on any screen, but it's worth double checking that your button appears just as you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a button on your Squarespace website. With just a few clicks, you've enhanced your site's functionality and visual appeal. Remember, the right call to action can make all the difference, so take the time to experiment and find what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Happy editing!